Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Diz plus knee plus L plus hand. Disneyland. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Hi, everyone, and welcome. I hope you had a good weekend. We're going to start it off today in game number 1 with rip-roaring contest, and I say that because these two players are each vulnerable. Each one has lost a game. But this lady on my right has won a bundle on our program. You're looking at Margaret Pelliccioni with $8,575 in winnings. And the lady originally from Michigan, now living in Tarpon Springs, Florida. Yes, big family?
I have 2 sons, but I am very fortunate. I have a fantastic daughter-in-law, which doesn't happen often, and 2 beautiful little grandsons and 2 beautiful granddaughters.
And what about the other son? He isn't married, or does he have a lousy wife?
That was the problem. He had a lousy wife, so he is now single.
Oh.
And
okay.
I did do that on TV, and I don't believe I did it.
All righty, let's meet your opponent. Eric is reacting as if he is a bad son here. What is it, Eric?
No, I'm a great son. I'm a wonderful son. Huh, Mom? Huh? I'm a wonderful
Are you
son.
married?
No. Have a girlfriend.
Have a girlfriend. Okay.
Almost 4 years now.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's about time you started getting serious.
No.
No?
No.
She doesn't feel that way, I bet.
No, she's about the same place I am.
Oh, all righty. Take a look over here. We'll get you both off the hook. We'll show you one of the prizes in game 1.
This dynamic, contemporary, quality constructed sofa features plump reversible seat cushions and loose back pillows covered in designer textile fabric, furnished by Flex Steel Industries Incorporated. Alex.
And where are we hiding that piece of furniture? Sofas at number 12. We also have a vacation in the Caribbean. Caribbean Club vacation. Eric, you go first.
All right, let's look for the vacation on number 14.
Piano.
Piano's good. I play the piano. I would like that quite a bit. How about number 1?
Diamond pendant. No match. Margaret?
Oh, I hope I can find that piano. Number 3, please.
35mm camera outfit.
Okie dokie, I can handle that. Number 16.
Sofa. No match. Eric?
Ooh, the sofa was under number 12, right?
Yes.
And a match under number 16.
There's a match. Start it off. Good-looking sofa, wasn't it?
It was a nice sofa. Very nice sofa.
Swing it open for him, please.
Please. Well,
again.
I will. How about number 25? Piano was now under number 14.
14, yes.
All right.
Let's see what happens now. Open these.
Not enough.
Pick again.
Let's go under number 15, please.
Wild card.
Right.
What do you want to match that with?
I need to find something really nice like this. The trip would be very nice. How about number 3?
35mm camera outfit. That's good.
I'll take that too.
We have a camera outfit on the bottom line at number 24. 3 doors opening. I just noticed something strange. When we move the numbers, the panels swing in one direction. Then when we clear the prize behind it, the panels swing in the other direction.
I noticed that too.
I've been doing this show for 4 years, though, and it's the first time I've noticed that. And you noticed it in your first visit?
It's okay.
You need a job as host?
I love a job. I've been going from restaurant to restaurant. I would love a job.
I can wait tables.
Really?
Yes.
Really? I can teach you to sing, too. Okay.
Well, so much for that plan. Pick 2 numbers.
All right. How about number 6, please?
Red take.
That would be good. How about number 13?
Caribbean Club vacation. No match. Margaret.
Oh, the Caribbean would be beautiful. Number 22, please.
Green take.
And wish I were a little colorblind. Number 20.
Wild card.
Oh, good.
You don't have to worry about being colorblind. The other green take. Number 9. Here you go. Anything you see up there that you like?
I really see something I would love to have, and I'm not going to wait because I'm afraid. I'm going to try that piano.
All right. a good prize.
That's fine.
The pianos that we give away on this program, or that contestants win on this program, are usually beautiful pieces of furniture, and they're very expensive, too. Let's see what happens as these three doors swing in the same direction and reveal this. Go again.
Number 2, please.
Crystal bowl and vase.
That would
or
be
vase.
lovely on my dining room set that I won.
Yes.
Number 23.
Air conditioner.
Air conditioner.
Eric.
Let's try number 11, please.
Caribbean Club
And number
Vacation.
13 for that match. Oh, yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
you lost the piano, but you've got a beautiful vacation.
My
in
girlfriend's very
return.
happy.
She is?
Yes, she is very happy.
But you've got to solve the puzzle.
Okay.
Open it up for him. Pick again.
Oh, man, I really need to see what's under number 18.
Diamond pendants.
Seems to me that was under number 1. All right,
Yes.
all right.
Is your girlfriend here?
No, she's not here. She's working
watching?
today. Yeah, well, yeah.
She may be watching.
Maybe watching, maybe
All right.
working.
Swing them open for him. Go again.
Interesting.
indeed.
How about number 19, please?
Gourmet pasta and sauces.
I like that kind of stuff. Let's try number 4.
Shower massager.
Like that too.
Margaret.
Okie doke. Let's try number 8, please.
Air conditioner.
And number 23.
Air conditioner is a match. Yes.
Very good.
Good for you,
Nothing
Margaret.
needed in Florida.
Open it up. Try it again, Margaret.
Number 6, please.
That's the red tape.
The red tape. Oh, for another tape. Number 5, please.
There's a match.
Oh,
No, save it. Go ahead, save it.
I would like to save it, but I think I had better try. Oh, the diamond pendant.
All right.
Yes.
The diamond pendant for my lady, and on the board, 2 panels opening for my lady.
Is it I don't got nobody?
I don't got no body. That is not right.
My English was very bad. That's why they
That's
buzzed.
all right. We do strange things on this program, as you know. You've got to make a match now, Margaret.
Yes, I certainly do. Oh. Eric. How
Be still, Eric.
am I beating heart? Number 4, please.
Shower massager.
And number 10, please.
Crystal bowl and
Okay.
vase. Eric.
Please let me get this match right. Number 7
Gourmet pasta.
and number 19.
Gourmet pasta and sausage.
You're killing
Now,
me.
Eric, as you know, you can count. Once we open these 2 doors, there will be 5 pieces up there, which
Yeah.
means there is 1 wild card at least. And so you've got a better than 50-50 shot of clearing the board and getting those other prizes. But you might want to solve it now. Your choice. Open it up, please.
Is it I ain't got nobody?
I ain't got nobody. Well, you lost the piano and the diamond pendant, but you've got a vacation in the Caribbean.
Right. All right, so much better. We have the I and the hey plus the NT. I ain't caught, forgot. We have a no and a body. I ain't got nobody.
Well, you got yourself, and that's all you needed in this case, and it worked out. And Margaret, golly, you lost your second game, but that's all right. You're going away with a whole bunch of prizes totaling $8,575.
It's
pretty
been
good.
great. And your staff is just as beautiful as you are.
Well, thank you. You're very kind to
Enjoyed
say that. You
myself.
take care, Margaret.
Thank you.
Have a safe flight back to
Bye,
Florida.
Eric. Get that card.
You know it.
All right, Eric. Let's hear about your prizes.
Yes, let's.
A 35mm camera outfit, hot service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a 35mm camera outfit or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and gourmet pasta and sauces. Pasta Mama brings convenience to gourmet cooking with its designer line of pasta. Everything from fettuccine alfredo to their line of dessert pastas and sauces, furnished by Pasta Mama, and a Caribbean Club vacation. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles to Belize aboard TACA Airlines, one of the oldest airlines serving Central America. Reliability, comfort, and daily flights, furnished by TACA Airlines. And discover paradise at Journey's End. You'll spend 7 days on beautiful tropical beaches with crystal clear water and gentle trade winds, furnished by Journey's End Caribbean Club. And, of course, the relaxing sofa. Eric, you may not have anybody, but you got a prize package worth $4,660.
And the car round after this. Go. Well, Eric's feeling a lot better now that he's won a game and some prizes, and he gets to play for the cars. We'll see how this works out. 15 numbered squares, and the base time on the clock, 35 seconds. Good luck, Eric. Go to work.
1, 3,
Nope.
4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 1, 12.
Right.
13, 15, 14, 6, 4, 8, 11, 3,
Yep.
2, 15,
Nope.
13, 9.
Nope.
2, 9.
But you've got a great voice.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you. I've won $4,660 in prizes, and I'm going to play again.
I like it a lot.
Yes. Gene Woods, the announcer on this program, is a troublemaker. He was working with a studio audience during the commercial break, trying to get them to entice me into singing so that I could impress Eric. I refrained, except for a phrase. And this newcomer, the lady on my right, even before I get to introduce her on the program, says, Alex, don't give up your day job. This is Terry Melton. Terry Melton, who was hoping to be my friend.
Well, you know, a few shows back I saw Margaret give you a kiss, and I didn't want to be outdone, so I
Oh,
wanted
you
to
gave me a
give
little
one,
Hershey's
too.
kiss. How sweet. That's very nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That makes up for it.
Thanks.
And you're right, I am a bad singer. Terrible singer. You need something for your home?
Sure, I can
For
use
your
that.
kitchen?
Sure.
Yeah? How about this for your kitchen? Complete.
Gibson's Frost Clear Refrigerator Freezer with features designed to make food storage easier and more convenient than ever. Gibson's gas range with waist-high broiler and fuel-saving electronic ignition. A portable dishwasher featuring 3 levels of washing action. Radiant heat drying and self-cleaning soil separator furnished by Gibson. Alex.
And it's on our game board right here behind number 22, Complete Kitchen. Terry, you get to pick first in this one. We've got a holiday in Lake Tahoe. We've got the
Ooh,
bonus
I'll take
seconds,
that.
and we have $600 in the cash pot.
I'll take any of those. I'd like to go to Tahoe, and I'm looking for it under number 1.
Home security system.
Well, okay. While I'm gone in Tahoe, I'll need that. Number 5.
It's a good way to look at it. Red take, no match. Eric,
Let's start right in the middle of the board, number 13, please.
gold diamond pin.
That's really nice. How about number 23 for the match?
Wild card.
I like that a lot.
The other gold and diamond pin at number 24. What's your girlfriend's name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie. Pretty
Yes,
name.
very pretty name.
Blonde,
Pretty girl. Brunette, very pretty girl.
Okay, I believe you.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate
I would think.
that. Okay.
Let's open it up.
Okay.
It's all right. I was a little taken aback because I would not expect you to say she's a real ugly girl.
That's true. Okay, yeah, good point. Good point.
You've been dating her for 4 years.
4 years, I would hope that she's...
You don't look like the kind of guy who'd go out with a dog for 4 years.
Not right now, no.
No.
Thank you.
Okay. 2 numbers.
Okay. How about number 3, please?
Wild card.
All right, I like that a lot. Let's go for Lake Tahoe somewhere, number 12, maybe.
No, his and her athletic wear.
That's good, too. That's good, too.
The other athletic wear is at number 16,
All right.
so 3 more panels will open up for Eric Leviton.
Okay, let's try number 8, please.
5 bonus car seconds.
That would be outstanding. How about number 18?
Pool table. No match. Terry.
Okay, we're still looking for Tahoe, and I'm going to try the other corner, 25.
Lake Tahoe.
Oh, where's a wild card now? Let's try number 6.
Wild card. That's it for the wild cards. The other Lake Tahoe holiday is on the board right here at number 7.
Yes.
Wow.
Way to go,
Great.
Terry. Open it up, please.
Art Carney.
Is he here? Is that your solution?
That's my solution.
Her solution is Art Carney. And her solution is right. She's good and she's fast.
Very fast.
Come on, Terry. Let's go. Maybe you should sing.
There's Art, Car, and me. Art Carney.
Just like that. Simple. Hey. Well, what happened to you?
I'm in shock. I'm in complete
Well, you should
shock.
be. That's
Well, I
2
am.
strikes against you, Eric.
God.
But you're a good player. I hope
you.
you had a lot of fun.
I did.
And get a lot of enjoyment out of that vacation in the Caribbean, you
Definitely
and your
will.
girlfriend, Stephanie. And you're going away with a shade under $5,000 in prizes. Congratulations,
Thank you.
to
Thank you.
So long,
Good luck to you, Terry.
All right, Terry. Let's hear about what you've just won this holiday. Gene.
A Lake Tahoe escape. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Lake Tahoe, and you'll spend 5 nights at Lake Tahoe's beautiful Horizon Casino Resort. Features superstar entertainment, 6 great restaurants, and Nevada-style 24-hour action. A first-class resort furnished by Horizon Casino Resort.
Well, she did it so quickly and so efficiently that we're going to take our commercial break right now. And when we come back, we will put her to the test and see if she can win a car as quickly. Stay with us. Oh, welcome back. If I'm looking a little perplexed, it is because during the commercial break, Terry Milton made a suggestion that seems to make sense, and I've been pondering it for the last couple of minutes. She said, since I solved that puzzle so quickly, what you guys should do is give me extra seconds on the clock in order to win a car.
Good idea,
Now-
huh?
Well, that's a good idea from your point of view, but if we did that every time, we would have to establish rules as to what is a quick solution, what is a medium solution, and what is a lengthy solution to
And
a
we're
puzzle.
really good at rules here, so
Yes, we are, and we have to...
couldn't resist.
2. That's 2 for her. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to get out of this situation. Marjorie is going to bail me out by telling you folks at home some important news.
Thanks, Alex. If you would like to try out for classic concentration and you live in the Los Angeles area or you're coming to Los Angeles, please try out for the show by calling this number, area code 213-965-1234. That's area code 213-965-1234. Back to you, Alex.
Now I'm perplexed again. I don't know why we always say, if you live in Los Angeles or are coming to Los Angeles, call this number. Most people can dial long distance. It's 1 and then the number, right? So you could do that. You could call from Detroit or Florida and say, hey, I'd like to come out and take your test, and we'll tell you when we're doing the testing. We're heavy on rules here. You want to see what the cars are?
Sure, why not?
Sure. Here they are. The Hyundai Scoop, the Geo Metro, the Honda Civic, Chevrolet Beretta, Ford Escort, Plymouth Sundance, Subaru Justy, and the Eagle Summit. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. You feel good?
Yeah, feel
You were
pretty
doing
good.
something during the commercial break that I've never seen anyone do before. You were holding your
Tension
fingers like
breaker.
this, and you call it a tension breaker?
My old boss taught me that.
And what do? You just put your fingers like this and press as hard as you can?
It's sort of like an old gym exercise. they used to
And
do.
wait, how long do you do this?
Oh, you can do that for about 2 hours or so. I'll let you know when to stop.
3. Squeal. 15 numbered squares. Good luck. 35 seconds on the clock. Go to work, Terry.
1, 2,
Nope.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8.
No.
1, 10,
Nope.
2, 8,
Nope.
7, 2,
Yes.
11, 13, 14, 3, 6, 9.
No.
3, 12.
No.
15, 1.
Yep.
4.
I think we need a little more of this, huh?
Temporary coma.
Temporary. It's temporary, that's all. But she's got a Lake Tahoe holiday worth $1,500 coming her way, and she will get to play again. Great time for us. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Outdoor Products rugged, tough, and lightweight quality luggage. Waterproof 1000 denier, Cordura plus nylon, great for travel, gym, or athletic use. Furnished by Outdoor Products. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
As well. And we'll look forward to the pleasure of your company next time out on Classic Concentration. Have a good time. So long, everyone.
Bye-bye.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.